Car dealerships have a secret weapon, and it's not the car. They make you overpay unless you know these 8 insider secrets that could save you thousands. Number 1. Turn off dealer add-ons before you sign. Starting with the add-ons, when you're at the dealership, they'll try to sell you fancy extras like magic paint protection, shiny wheels, and even key insurance. They might sound appealing, but the truth is most of them are overpriced and practically useless. Now, here's the trick. The dealership knows you're excited about the car, so they'll say things like, "You need this," or "It's already added." But don't fall for it. What kind of add-ons? Extended warranties, gap insurance, tinted windows, nitrogen tires, and even roof racks. Many of these can be found cheaper elsewhere, or you might not need them at all. So what should you do? Always say, "I'll think about it." Don't let them rush you. Bring a smart friend with you, and before you sign anything, ask to remove any extra charges you didn't ask for. Just remember, saying no to dealer add-ons is like finding hidden treasure. You'll save hundreds or even thousands and drive off smarter than ever. But the next secret? It's the sneakiest trick dealerships use to make you pay more without even noticing. Number 2, change the loan term setting. Don't just focus on monthly payment. Next up, one of the smart settings to save big, change the loan term. Don't just look at the monthly payment, look at the total cost. Let's break it down. A car dealer might say only $299 a month. Sounds great, right? Here's what they do. They stretch that payment over 7 or even 8 years. That's a very long loan, and it means you'll pay way more in the end. Why? Because of the interest. That's the extra money you give the bank just for borrowing. The longer the loan, the more interest stacks up. And here's the scary part. Cars lose value fast. That means you might owe more than your car is worth. This is called being underwater. If your car is stolen or wrecked, your insurance won't cover the full loan. You'll have to pay the rest out of your own pocket. So what should you do? Focus on the full price of the car, not just the monthly number. Say, I can pay X amount of dollars for the car, not I can pay X amount of dollars each month. In simple words, shorter loans equal to less interest, and it leads to way more savings. Always do the math. Add up monthly payments and your down payment. That's your real car cost. Number 3, disable extended warranty and gap insurance. Want to keep more money in your pocket? When you're almost done buying the car, the dealer will say, "Let's protect your car with a special plan." That plan is called an extended warranty, and they might also offer gap insurance. But do you know they can cost thousands of extra dollars? Next, ask yourself this. Do you really need to pay all that now? Probably not. You don't have to buy these at the dealership. Most of the time, you can get better deals from your insurance company or online. Dealers often rush to sign, but you should take your time and do your homework. And here's a big tip. If you move away or the dealership closes, some of these warranties might be useless. They might only let you use their repair shop. Here's what you do instead. Ask to see the full contract, not just the shiny brochure, and always check reviews about the company first. Number 4, skip market adjustment fees. You find the perfect car, it's shiny, fast, and just what you wanted. But then right before the deal, the price goes up. Why? The dealer says it's a market adjustment fee. A market adjustment fee is extra money the dealership adds on top of the regular price just because they can. It happens when lots of people want the same car, or when there aren't many cars around. Here's the real deal. This fee doesn't come from the car maker. It's not required. It's just extra money for the dealership. That's right, pure profit for them, not extra value for you. Think about it this way. If you pay more now, you might lose that money later when you try to sell your car. It hurts your wallet twice. But here's the power move. Say no. Yes, you can. Ask the dealer to remove the fee, or better yet, find the same car at another place without the extra cost. Because this fee isn't set in stone. With the right questions and a little courage, you can skip it. Number 5, adjust trade-in settings separately. Now, this one is a masterpiece that dealerships might grab you with. Imagine walking into a dealership ready to buy your dream car. You also have your old car to trade. Everything seems easy, but then the dealer mixes your trade-in with the price of the new car. That's when the confusion begins. Here's what really happened. They'll talk about one big number, your monthly payment, but that number hides a lot. They could give you less money for your trade-in and charge more for your new car. You won't even notice. Now, pause and think. Your old car has value, your new car has a price. These two things should always be handled separately. Don't let the dealer blur the lines. First, ask what they'll give you for just your old car. Then, without mentioning your trade-in again, ask for the price of the new car. Only compare those numbers once you have them both. But why does this matter? Keeping the deals separate helps you see the truth. You'll know if the trade-in value is fair and if the car price is good. That simple move could save you thousands, and that's a smart, powerful setting to use. Number 6. Decline dock fees or ask to reduce them. It's normal. When you're buying a car, you're focused on the big stuff, color, speed, price, but you'll spot something tiny that steals your money: the documentation fee. Now, let me explain it. A dock fee is what the dealer charges for doing paperwork like your title and registration. Well, the trick is some dealers charge just $100, while others ask for $500 or even more. However, in some states, the law keeps dock fees low. In others, there's no limit at all. Dealers can charge whatever they want, and most buyers don't even notice. But wait, there's good news. You can't always make them remove the fee, but you can ask for a discount somewhere else. Dealers often agree to lower the car price to balance out the high dock fee. So before you go car shopping, check how much dock fees are in your state. That way you know what's fair and what's just too much. Number 7, set the purchase as a cash deal to negotiate better price. There is a car, you want it, but not at the sky-high price tag. So what's the move? Some buyers say, I'm paying cash. Why? Because they think dealers will offer a better deal since they don't have to wait on banks or do extra paperwork. Seems smart, but that's not all. Car dealerships make extra money when they help you get a loan. So when you say cash, they might not be super happy. Sometimes they won't give you the best deal because they lose that bonus. Think before you speak. If you really have the cash, great. Just be honest. But don't pretend if you don't. Dealers can tell, and then it gets awkward fast. So be smart with the better way. Focus on the full price of the car. Ask for the out-the-door price with all fees included. Also, look up car prices online, set a budget, and compare offers from different places. Don't be afraid to walk away. That's when some dealers suddenly want to talk deals. Number 8, don't mention your monthly budget up front. At the car dealership, things can get tricky. These little tips can save you a lot of money. Here's the final setting they really don't want you to know. Never say how much you can pay each month. Here's what happens next. If you tell a salesperson your monthly budget, they'll build the deal to match it, right? Not really. They can stretch the loan, add sneaky fees, or make you pay more upfront. Even if the car isn't worth it, they'll shape the numbers to fit your payment. So smartly stay quiet about your budget. Instead, look up loan calculators online before you go. That helps you see how much you can really afford. Now, take control. When you walk into that dealership, focus on the total price of the car, not the monthly payment. Talk about the full cost, loan length, and interest rate. Only after you know those should you think about payments, because when you lead the conversation, the dealer can't play tricks. These 8 secrets can save you thousands, but only if you remember them when it counts. So hit like to lock them in your brain, share this with someone who's car shopping soon, and drop a comment if you've ever caught a dealer trying one of these tricks. Let's make sure no one gets ripped off again.